Ryan and Dan here to talk about how this massive blizzard has formed. First, we are going to go to Jack to talk about blizzards, wind, and air.
Thanks, Dan. The winds are very intense out here. There's a few things that need to happen in order for blizzards to form. First, warm air must rise over cold air. Also, you need a lot of moisture to form clouds, precipitation, and wind. You also need polar air to help form blizzards. As you can see, wind and air are essential factors for blizzard formation of a blizzard. Now, back to Dan in the studio for more on blizzards.
Wow, isn't it fun learning about blizzards? Now let's swing it over to Ryan for some information on precipitation.
Thanks, Dan. You have no idea how much precipitation is coming down on me. In order for precipitation to turn into snow, the temperature must be below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. There are all sorts of precipitation like snow, rain, and hail that take place in a blizzard. There is at least 12 inches of snow piling up here. This happens because of the amount of moisture in the clouds. Back to Dan in the studio.
Thanks, Ryan. Let's show our viewers some more facts on how blizzards form. Wow, isn't it intense out there? Let's bring Jack in to talk about something about the winds. Hey Jack, what's up?
Hi, Dan. Well, it really is intense out there. Driving conditions are very, very dangerous, and we advise you to stay inside. Wind is coming in at a massive speed.
Now let's bring in Ryan to talk about some precipitation. What's up, Ryan?
What's up, Dan? The precipitation there was very massive. The snow is just piling up. It could melt and form a massive flood.
It really is dangerous. I advise everyone to stay safe inside their home.
I agree with them. We are back in the studio with the Channel 12 News team. Don't you love learning about how blizzards form? We do. See you next time with the Channel 12 News team.